Hi everyone, what's up? I know I should have come earlier, and I guess you guys have party plans for New Year's Eve. But yeah, I just came to say hi and sign off this year. I know I've not been coming live that often on Instagram, but मैंने सोचा यार 2021 is I've lost count of what year is happening right now. 2021 is coming to a close, and I just thought that the last few hours ke thode minutes I can spend with you guys. So yeah, I'm right here. Hi, Manisha Jawar. I don't know how to pronounce that. Being Armal Malik, बहुत वेट कराया आपने. I'm sorry, मैं कुछ काम कर रहा था. आप लोग के लिए सरप्राइजेस तैयार कर रहा था, so I was busy with that. Amal, you are gonna rule from this year and forever after. Love you, love you, love you, love you so much. We're gonna rule together. We have lots coming. I can't wait. Hi Devjani. Hi Adrita Shamim. Deep says, Sir, autograph please. Bye Deep. Autograph बाद में लेना. Armenians, Nepal. I am Shadu Khan. What's up? Sophia Sandhu, you're really an awesome singer. Thank you, Sophia. Pratiksha Patil, loved Echo. Please do more collabs. Thank you, Pratiksha. Yes, I will do many more collabs in the new year. I'm just so excited to be on a live, on an IG live. It's been quite a long time. I mean, I know I used to do this more frequently in 2020, लेकिन काम पे ज़्यादा ध्यान देना पड़ता है, लाइफ पे ध्यान देना पड़ता है, तो इंस्टाग्राम लाइव नहीं हो पाता है इतना ऑफ्टन. बट आई एम ग्लैड आई एम हियर. We have almost 11,000 people on this live, which is so cool. It's Bibek Kumar. बोल दो ना जरा सॉन्ग प्लीज सुना दो. ओके चलो, आपकी रिक्वेस्ट को मैं एक्सेप्ट करता हूँ. बोल दो ना जरा दिल में जो है छिपा, मैं किसी से कहूँगा नहीं. सबकी रिक्वेस्ट लेनी पड़ेगी, so I'm singing only two lines of all these songs. Pratiksha is here. Happy New Year. Happy New Year to you too. Keep singing beautifully. Pratiksha, you have an amazing voice. Armal's aficionado, Arman Malik without guitar. Yeah, this is one of those rare times I'm without a guitar. Halimatun Sadia says, Jab tak song please. हाँ मेरे पास तुम रहो, जाने की बात ना करो, मेरे साथ तुम रहो, जाने की बात ना करो. ओ Ankita P says, sir, please, how many ek baar? Look at us now, what have we become? I don't recognize us anymore. How many times can we fall apart? How many times can we break my heart? As long as I love you, as long as you love me too. How many times can we let it go? After all the faith, what was left to show? Nothing we wanted. What will we call it? harmony, harmony, eh, harmony, harmony, na 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 na, harmony, 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 ooh, 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 ooh. I forgot the lyrics to my own song. Few lines of you. I've already sung a few lines of you on my Instagram. Go check that out. बाकी का बाद में रिवील होता रहेगा. चलो गा ही लेता हूँ यार, आप लोग इतना रिक्वेस्ट कर रहे हो. Love like this doesn't come round all the time, and letting you get away would be a crime, 'cause half of your heart makes a whole lot of this heart of mine. Ooh, all I do is think about you. All I do is think about you. All I do is think about. That's it for now. Sujata Chaunkar 89. Sir, please चले आना. जुदा हम हो गए माना, मगर ये जान लो जाना, कभी मैं याद आऊं तो चले आना, चले आना, तुम्हें मैं भूल जाऊंगा, ये बातें दिल में ना लाना, कभी मैं याद आऊं तो चले आना, चले आना. एड मी सर प्लीज. प्लीज सर, हाथ जोड़ के विनती है. ओके अब है 3394. अभय जी आ जाओ लाइव.
हेलो सर.
हेलो.
हेलो सर. सर हेलो.
हेलो
सर एक मिनट सर.
आपका नाम अभय है?
जी 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 सर. जी सर.
आपका फेस तो देखा होगा
जी
बाबा.
सर. सर सर हेलो. सर 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 हेलो. हाय सर. सर आपको बहुत बड़ा फैन हूँ सर. थैंक यू सर. सर थैंक यू फॉर एक्सेप्टिंग योर रिक्वेस्ट सर. थैंक यू सर.
पहले मुझे सर बुलाना बंद करो. मैं मैं बहुत ही यंग हूँ, तो मुझे सर मत बुलाओ, बट थैंक यू कि आप मुझे इतना प्यार करते हो, मेरे
सर
गानों को
बिलीव
इतना
नहीं.
प्यार
सर
करते हो.
बिलीव नहीं हो रहा कि आपने मेरी रिक्वेस्ट एक्सेप्ट कर ली सर.
क्यों नहीं
आई
बिलीव हो रहा है?
जस्ट.
यहाँ पे मैं आपसे बात कर रहा हूँ मैं.
सर सर मैं आपको बहुत बड़ा फैन हूँ सर. आपके गाने रोज सुनता हूँ सर. थैंक यू
कौन
सर.
सा फेवरेट है
सर
आपका?
सर वजह तुम हो.
वजह तुम हो. अच्छा चलो मैं
जी
गा ही
सर.
लेता हूँ आपके लिए.
जी सर.
मेरे साए हैं साथ में यारा, जिस जगह तुम हो,
तुम हो.
मैं जो जी
मैं जो जी
रहा
रहा
हूं. आप भी गा लो चलो.
मेरे साथ तुम.
इनका वीडियो अटक गया है मेरे ख्याल से. चलो कोई नहीं, आपसे बात करके अच्छा लगा. हाउ डू वी ऐड समवन एल्स?
सर लिरिक्स भूल गए सर. आप बता दीजिए सर. आप.
नो प्रॉब्लम नो प्रॉब्लम भाई, मैं किसी और को भी लाइव लूंगा.
जी सर.
आप एग्जिट हो सकते हो मेरे ख्याल से, क्योंकि मैं आपको एग्जिट नहीं करा सकता
सर
हूँ.
आप कर दीजिए सर. मालूम नहीं सर.
अच्छा ठीक
थैंक.
है, मैं कर रहा हूँ. ओके चलो.
ओके सर. थैंक यू सर. थैंक्स फॉर ज्वाइनिंग.
यू हैप्पी न्यू ईयर. बाय. ये वजह तुम्हा वजह तुमो का कुछ भलता ही वर्जन हो गया ये इस लाइफ पे, बट दैट वाज स्वीट. चलो वजह तुमो प्रॉपर्ली गा लेता हूँ मैं. मेरे साए हैं साथ में यारा, जिस जगह तुम हो, ओ, मैं जो जी रहा हूँ वजह तुम हो, दम तक कम, ओ वजह तुम हो। अभी एक और रिक्वेस्ट आई है शुबीज 58 से, बरसात सॉन्ग सुना दो। फिर आज है दिल रो रहा, सब कह रहे बरसात है, फिर आज हम खामोश है, शायद कोई तो बात है। It's Twinkle 672 has requested for हुआ है आज पहली बार। हुआ है आज पहली बार जो ऐसे मुस्कुराया हूँ, तुम्हें देखा तो जाना है कि क्यों दुनिया में आया हूँ, ये जाले करके जा मेरी तुम्हें जीने में आया हूँ, मैं तुमसे इश्क करने की इजाजत रब से लाया हूँ। Okay, let me add one more fan before I leave. I, Ganesh Kadam 777, sir, please sing Butta Bamma. బుట్టబొమ్మ బుట్టబొమ్మ నన్ను చుట్టుకుంటివే, జిందగీకే అట్టబొమ్మై జంట కట్టుకుంటివే, బుట్టబొమ్మ బుట్టబొమ్మ నన్ను చుట్టుకుంటివే, జిందగీకే అట్టబొమ్మై జంట కట్టుకుంటివే, ఇంతకన్నా మంచి పోలికేది నాకు తట్టలేదు గాని అమ్ము, ఈ లవ్ అనేది బబ్లు గమ్ము, అంటుకున్నదంటే పోదు నమ్ము. ज़्यादा लो गया। ఎట్టగానే ఎదురు చూపుకి తగినట్టుగా నువ్వు బదులు చెబితివే, అరే దేవుడా ఇదేంతనైంత లోపటే, పిల్లడాంట దగ్గరై నన్ను చేరదీస్తివే, Okay, I'm checking your requests, who all have requested to join the live. And I shall go live with one person before I end this session. Armal's aficionado says, can you take my name, please? Shagun. Hi, Shagun. Lots of love. Meherjabeen says, please say my name. Okay, I've already said your name, Meherjabeen. Lots of love. Okay, I've added someone. Let's see if they accept.
Oh
Hi.
my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Hey, what's up? Hi,
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Oh my god, I cannot believe this. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm so sorry. How are you?
I'm good. I'm good. Where are you from?
I'm from Nepal.
From
Oh my god.
Nepal. Okay.
I'm from Nepal. How are you? How's your health?
I'm
How are you? I don't know
good.
what to speak right now. Oh my god.
So sweet.
Oh my god. How are you doing?
I'm good. I'm good. Just randomly picking people to go live with. So I saw your name and I added you.
You've blessed my year. You've blessed my life. I don't know. Thank you so much. Thank you for taking me live. Thank you for your music. Thank you for just being you. And I don't know what to say. God, thank you so much. Your music, your songs, your quotes, your tweets, everything have helped me so much during my worst times. And I cannot believe that I'm talking to you.
Oh my God. I'm overwhelmed looking at you. But thank you. Thank you for loving me so much.
Thank you so much.
It
Thank
means
you.
the world to know that I have fans like you that love me so much.
Thank you so much, Uti. I don't know what to say right now. I'm going back.
You don't need to say anything. You don't need to say anything. I just hope you have an amazing new year, 2022. I hope it's an amazing year for everyone, and hope you take care of your health, which is very important now that COVID is again coming back. But yeah, lots
Yes.
of love, lots of love, lots of love, and
Thank you so
big
much.
hug to you.
Will you take my name, please?
Yeah,
I
for
know
sure.
this is too much, but
No.
I really want to listen to my name from your voice. I mean, it's just.
Okay, everyone. Your name is Prasiddhi, right? Yeah.
Yes.
Hi, Prasiddhi. I said
Thank
your
you.
name.
Thank
Take
you
care.
so much. Thank
Bye.
you. Bye.
Happy New
Oh
Year.
my
in advance.
God.
Bye.
Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Oh my God.
That was the sweetest interaction ever. Wow, my heart feels so full right now. Should I take one more person before going off? I think I should. One last person I will take live, and then I shall have my own New Year scene at home. No parties this time, sadly. Okay. Okay, I've added someone. Let's see if they accept. Two minutes. How do I? Waiting. 2 minutes. Ah, that was my dad sneakily asking me, when are you getting done with the live? Who do we take live? Okay. Okay, I've sent a request to someone. Let's see if they accept.
Oh my god, hi.
Hi.
Oh my god. I love you. Oh
I
my
love you too.
god. Oh god, are you going to save this live?
I might. Should I?
Thank you.
I was thinking of not saving this, but I think
Please save this.
I will save it. Don't worry. What's up?
I'm just shivering right now.
Where are you from?
I'm from Delhi.
Oh, okay.
Oh God.
I hope I mean Delhi is really cold right now, right?
Delhi is really cold, and I've been wanting you to come here since 6 long years.
I know I just feel so bad that I've not been able to do a proper concert in Delhi. It's just I've done like
Please
a
come
club show,
soon.
but I hope I can do one soon in 2022. Hopefully, fingers crossed.
Please. Yeah.
But yeah, just
I don't know what to say.
Happy New Year in advance.
Same to you.
Lots of love. I think I'm just gonna rush now,
Sure.
but it was amazing talking to you.
Thank you. Bye. I love you.
Bye. Lots of love. Bye.
Bye.
देवांजना राम मेरा नाम ले लो प्लीज ले लिया आपका नाम देवांजना okay now I'm wrapping up it was amazing talking to you guys and yeah this is the last of 2021 and we are entering a new year and I'm super excited मैं बहुत ही excited हूँ because we have lots coming I have lots coming in 2022 lots of amazing songs projects collaborations shows, tours, lots of exciting stuff, merchandise even. 2021 has been a special year for me as well. I launched quite a few things. I launched my merchandise, which I've always wanted to do. It's been a painful year as well. I lost my dadi, and that was a loss that I could not come to terms with. I still am not. I've not been able to process it properly. But yeah, I mean, like every year, there's always highs and lows. There's good and there's bad parts. But I'm thankful. I'm grateful for 2021. I'm grateful for you guys. You're the love of my life. Without you guys, I don't think I am who I am. I'm not Arman Malik without my Armanians. You're the light of my life. And um, just coming on here and seeing you guys and talking to you and see the love that you guys have for me, it just makes me feel so special. Thank you for that. Thank you for always making me believe in myself and what I do. Because sometimes, as artists, we get into this whole shell where we're not so confident. We don't know what we should do next. And when we see love from our fans, that just gives us that boost we need. And I'm so glad that I got that today. But just by seeing a few on this live and talking to you guys and chatting with you. So thank you for loving me so much. A big tight hug to you guys. I wish I could do that in person with each of you in your cities. Hopefully 2022 mein COVID is not that bad. It is bad right now. I hope the situation gets better. But yeah, अभी के लिए मैं चलता हूँ. I hope you guys have an amazing New Year party, whatever. I hope you're not, obviously with too many people because it is not safe right now with the Omicron variant. I hate it. But yeah, just be safe, take care of yourselves, and have an amazing night. And here's wishing that all of us have an amazing 2022. Lots of love. Bye.